Good morning, mighty Mustangs. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stand for the stem.
First, we're going to start with jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we're going to do squats. You're going to pretend to sit back in a chair and then stand back up. Try to keep your knees behind your toes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You may be seated. Today is Thursday for September 22nd, and it's a D-Day.
We have one birthday today, Ariana Grant. If you see her, wish her a happy birthday.
Hi everyone, I just have a few updates. First of all, students, today you'll be taking home a flyer that looks like this, welcoming your families to our open house on Thursday, September 29th from 5 to 6:30. We're going to have some snacks and prizes. You can tour the school with your family and have your family meet your teachers. We also will be giving a Mighty ticket for every student that shows up, and the class that has the most students show up will get a golden horseshoe. So make sure that you can tell your parents and your family to come on Thursday, September 29th. Next, I have an update about iReady. We are doing an awesome job getting our iReady diagnostic testing done. I want everyone to keep up the great work as they finish up their reading and their math diagnostic.
Make sure you read for each
30 minutes
each night and always be mighty.